First, open Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. To create game assets with Leonardo AI, start by deciding what type of asset you need for your game. You can create characters, weapons, environments, props, icons, objects, backgrounds, and many other visual elements. Once you know what you want to create, open the image generation tool and begin writing your prompt. Be specific about the asset, its appearance, and the visual style of your game. For example, if you're creating a fantasy game, you could describe a detailed medieval shield with engraved metal, a wooden center, fantasy symbols, realistic textures, and a professional game asset style. If you're creating a cartoon or mobile game, you might use a completely different description, such as colorful stylized artwork with clean shapes and a friendly appearance. Consistency is very important when creating multiple game assets. Try to use similar descriptions, visual styles, colors, and design characteristics across your prompts. Next, choose the model and generation settings that best match your project. Select an appropriate image format or aspect ratio and start generating. When Leonardo AI creates the images, review each result carefully. Check the shape, proportions, details, colors, and whether the asset matches the visual style of your game. If the result isn't suitable, improve your prompt and generate another version. You can also use Leonardo AI's editing or image-to-image features when available to refine an existing design. Once you have the asset you want, save or download it using the available options.